Hello, kid. Come on. Come on, hello, kid. Come on, girl. What a nice girl you are. Wow, you're so soft. You're so fluffy, girl. So soft, girl. Look at her. She's tiny cat. She's so soft. Her hair is so soft, fluffy. His name is Tuxedo. Are you Tuxedo? Black and white. Black and white. The weather is so cold, and he's here. She's here. Look to the other one. But this one is my friend. Wow, look at her face. 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 Look at her. 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 She's walking. She's turning around. She's turning around. She's turning around. Wow, what nice. Let's go. Let's go this way, huh? This way is very nice. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Is everything good? Come on. Come on. Come on, it's very good. We love rubbing. But she's not touching. She's rubbing. What a tiny girl you are. What a so tiny girl. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. She's walking with me wherever I go. Come on, girl. Let's take a walk. Let's take a walk together. Come on, girl. Look at the other one. She's running fast. Move fast, move fast. Come on, come over here. I like you so much. She became my friend because she's so tiny, good girl. Come on, come on. Let's sit here. Here's bear. Here's bear. Here's bear for you. Come on. Look cats on the tree. Hello. What are you doing there? Come on. Come down. She's coming after me. Hello, girl. Hello, guys. Hey, you. Hello, girl. Hey, you.